Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris, and I'm your host today. And in this one, we are going to be doing, yes, what I promised in my last video. We are going to be taking a Notion. This is actually Notion here. You can see by the icon down here. And we're going to be taking Notion, and we're going to be exporting this little thing I created right here. Here, let's just create another line. Let's just do this right here. There you go. And we're going to take this and export it from Notion and into UpNote. Now, this is something that a viewer of mine requested. He said that it didn't work when he tried it. So we're going to try it and see what happens. So everybody, this is live. I didn't script it. And so we're going to just look at this and see what happens when we try to export it in a markdown or an HTML. We're going to try HTML first and see what happens. And everybody, thank y'all for watching. If you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, reach out to me in the comments and let's get it done. So I do know this. I went in the menu a little bit and I just clicked here, and it's the three dots in the top right. There's an export function. So let's do export, and then we're going to do markdown and CS. Let's do HTML. Currently viewing, yes. Page content, everything. Yeah. And then we're going to export that. Okay, we're just going to say, yeah, why not? That looks good. Now, y'all saw where that went, so let's go to the downloads folder. I have to get my camera's like right in the way. And let's go to download, and then let's extract this. Let's extract that. We're going to extract why it's doing. Okay, now that we got that done, we're going to go search for UpNote. We're going to open that, okay? And then we're going to go, I don't even know where to go, y'all. Import from HTML, okay? And then we're going to go add to notebook. We're going to create a new note. We're just going to create a random one. We're going to say test. And then this way, we can make sure that it's going into the right place. We're going to create, and then we're going to go to settings, general, and then scroll down and import from HTML. Okay, and then we're going to select that file that we did before. Okay, yeah, automatically detect and create hashtags. Okay, add to a notebook. We're going to do test, boom, just like that, and we're going to import that baby. Okay. So as you can see, let's divide these screens up. As you can see, so if we look at this note, it imported exactly what we had done. So Keith Shivner 6089, it worked for me. Now what I had to find it, I don't know where it went. So, but as you can see, if I created a notebook specifically for this, imported it in the notebook, and it imported everything that I needed to import. It all went in there fine. So I don't know, Keith. I don't know what happened to yours, but it worked for me. So if you want to put down what you were trying to import, and remember, you got to keep it below 10,000 to ensure the app's performance based on this right here. And it could be that there was something that went wrong. I don't know. Mine worked fine. I did HTML and it worked fine. So I would recommend HTML because it worked. Now, where it went in the first place, I don't know. But everybody, if y'all like this video, put a like on it. If you didn't, that's fine too. I just make these videos because I like to. And so if you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments. I would be more than happy to answer your question. And if you don't know the Lord Jesus Christ, reach out to me in the comments for that too, and I will be glad to lead you to him. And everybody, thank you for watching. Until my next video, peace, everybody.